Hello all, welcome back to our new session. In this session, I am going to explain you about a small topic like Excel add cells and delete cells. Add cells is nothing but adding columns, adding rows in the spreadsheet, and delete cells is nothing but deleting columns and rows. And also another one small topic I would like to discuss is like merging the cells. Okay, and the benefits of merging the cells. Okay, and now let's go to our spreadsheet in order to explain about this topic. I am opening the spreadsheet. Here let's give the value like a b c c d d e. Here let's give 10, 20, 30, 40. Let's give 31, 45, 30, 40, 60, 90. Okay, now let's drag the entire data. Click on the center button, then automatically the data will be assigned in the center format. Okay, now how to add a column? If you want to add a column, you just click on the top of the column and click on the insert button. Automatically the column will be added. This is very easy and very simple. Give some data in this, and now if you want to add a row, like you can just click on the top of the row, then click on the right mouse button, give insert, and automatically the data will be inserted. Okay, give some data. Okay, and if you want to delete the entire column, then you just click on the column, you just click on the right mouse button and then give delete, or else you can click on this top button and you automatically click on the delete button, then automatically the entire data will be deleted, but not the column will not be deleted. The only the data which has been which you have selected in the column, it will be deleted. Okay, if you want to click delete the entire row, you just click on the top of the row, you just click on the right mouse button and click on the delete. Automatically that the row will be deleted. For example, if you want to delete this number 4 row, I am just clicking on the delete button in the keyboard. You can see like the row will not be deleted, and the data which is been in this row will be deleted automatically. Okay, this is how like to add the cells and to remove the cells and to delete the data as well. Now I will show you like how to merge cells. This is one cell and this is another cell. Now if you want to merge this, you can drag this your left mouse button from one cell to another cell and click on the merge button, then automatically this will be merged. You could see like real time. See here the data is automatically, the both cells has become a single cell. You guys like the same. If you want to continue, just click on the merge, then automatically the entire row will be, see, three cells has become one cell. So this is how you can merge the cells. Like if you want only single data in n number of cells, you can drag the n number of cells and you can click on the merge button, so it will be automatically become a single cell. Multiple cells can become a single cell with the help of the merge option. Like there are multiple options in this merge. Like you can give merge and center. Like if you want to give merge and center, it will merge all the cells and it will keep your data in the center. merge across in the cells, it will merge and it will merge keep the data across. If you want to merge the cells, then it will just merge the cells. If you want to unmerge these cells, you just click and give unmerge cells. So automatically the data will come across left side, and automatically remaining cells all will be unmerged. That's all for this session, guys. I hope you guys understood like how to add a cells, how to delete cells, and how to merge the cells. I hope I have given you clear explanation. In order to get good understanding, like if you want to follow my Excel videos, there is some playlist in my channel. You could go through and you could watch them. And I request you to give a like and comment on the video, like if you have any doubts, and you could subscribe this channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you and have a great day. Let's see you in the next session.